Tom was a poor boy who was hard-working and kind, although he had little in the way of material possessions. Despite his miserable circumstances, he had a deep affection for a beautiful girl named Clara, the daughter of a wealthy merchant. Tom admired Clara from afar, mesmerized by her grace and beauty. One day, gathering all his courage, he decided to express his feelings to her. With a heart full of hope, he went to Clara and confessed his love, proposing marriage. However, Clara was shocked and laughed at Tom's proposal. "How could a poor boy like you ever think of marrying someone like me?" she scoffed. "We come from completely different worlds." Tom's heart sank, but he maintained his dignity. "I understand," he said softly, "but I wanted you to know my feelings." Years passed, and Tom continued to work diligently, saving every penny and learning new skills. He started a small business, which gradually flourished thanks to his unwavering determination and honesty. He treated everyone with kindness, earning the respect and admiration of those around him. Meanwhile, Clara's father's business began to falter due to poor management. His wealth dwindled, and he found himself struggling. One day, Clara, who was now facing difficulties, met Tom in the market. She hardly recognized him, now a successful and respected businessman. Sensing a change of fortune, Clara approached Tom with a smile. "Tom, it's been a while. How are you?" she asked, trying to hide her surprise. Tom smiled warmly, but there was a glint of wisdom in his eyes. "I'm fine, Clara. Life has taught me many lessons." Clara, now humbled by her experiences, looked at Tom with new respect. "I'm sorry for how I treated you that time. I judged you wrongly." Tom nodded, his heart at peace. "That's all in the past. What matters is how we treat others, no matter their status. True worth lies in one's character, not in wealth." From that day on, Clara understood the true value of kindness and politeness. Moral: true worth is measured by character and honesty, not wealth or social status. Treat everyone with kindness and respect, as life circumstances can change in an instant.